to my channel. When I uploaded my P&L statement on many social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Telegram channels as well. So many people had approached me and they have been asking me whether this P&L statement is actually right or wrong. So they were not believing कि yes it is right. So many people asked me कि सर प्लीज आप अपना वेरीफाइड पीएनएल स्टेटमेंट दीजिए. सो उसके लिए मैंने अपना टेलीग्राम चैनल पर भी वेरीफाइड पीएनएल डाल दिया था. Okay, so my first point is that I am putting this P&L statement not to show you my profits. My main motive is to tell my fellow traders that yes, trading can be profitable and आप उससे प्रॉफिट अच्छे से कमा सकते हैं अगर आप उसको ठीक से आपको पता है कि उसमें क्या करना है. हाउ मच यू वांट फ्रॉम द मार्केट. मैंने इसके लिए एक ऑलरेडी वीडियो भी बनाया था एंड काफी लोगों ने उसको देखा भी है. दैट मार्केट हैज ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड टू टेक एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम यू. Now it is you who has to decide कि how much you want from the market. Okay, so in this video I will be showing you कि मैंने ट्रेडिंग कैसे स्टार्ट करी थी, मैंने FNO कैसे स्टार्ट किया था एंड हाउ आई ब्लास्टेड माय अकाउंट फर्स्ट. देन उसके बाद मैंने धीरे धीरे हाउ आई डेवलप्ड दिस जीरो लॉस स्ट्रैटेजी. Okay, so my trading जो है वो that is divided into three parts. From Feb 21 I actually started my FNO trading. So instead of going to Feb, I'll show you from my June 21. Okay. Yeah. So this is the time when I was actually losing huge money. Okay. So let's go one more month back. I'll take from 1st of May. Yeah, that's it. So from Feb to Feb, March, April, May, for 3-4 months I was doing it myself and कुछ करके I have been making losses. I thought that yes, I am getting jinx of it because एक दो बार profit होता था. Then I thought कि yes, I am able to do FNO and then entire month I was in loss. So from May onwards, I have been seeing many Telegram channels. I am sure that you guys must have gone through as well. There are many channels that have been promoting that they have some artificial intelligence and they have developed a software simulator kind of thing, and they can tell you whether the market is going in uptrend or it is in downtrend, whether any stock will rise or it will fall. So they have been promoting giving their packages also 20,000 per month, platinum positional 30,000 per month, chromium intraday 50,000 per month. So these kind of packages many Telegram channels have been promoting, right? So I got into this trap and I took everything, in fact. So I just wanted to earn quick money like every trader does, or every newbie does. So from May, you see, in the month of May, I made some decent profit. This entire from this entire 1 year period is not any of the trade is not my trade that I have taken. These all trades are as per the recommendations that has been given to me through various packages that I have taken on monthly basis. So होता क्या था, एक महीने प्रॉफिट होगा, देन नेक्स्ट मंथ एंटायर माय प्रॉफिट विल गो एंड आई विल गेट इनटू द लॉसेस. सो मई में आई गॉट अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 19,000. देन जून में I made a loss of 1,30,000, and apart from this I have been paying 30,000 per month for the package. So in any of the case I am already in huge losses. In the month of July again I made a 96,000 ka profit. Then in August again I made a loss of 1,30,000. September I made profit of 14,000. October 19,000, and then November 72,800. So for these 6 months I have seen whether I am able to earn in future an option from the calls that I have been taking from the various packages. Then finally I decided that it is enough. I will not going to buy anything and I will rest myself. I had already made a huge loss in within these 6 to 7 months. Then in December I hardly took any trade. So in December थोड़ा बहुत लॉस था, but it was okay. Then in Jan again I thought कि okay, let's try it once again and let me see whether I'll be able to do it or not. And Jan में जब मैंने दोबारा start किया था, my main motive was कि मेरा जितना लॉस हो गया है मैं वो रिकवर कर लेता हूँ and then I'll stop. My main motive was कि रिकवर करके मैं रुक जाऊंगा and then I will not trade into FNO. Believe you me, हर ट्रेडर यही गलती करता है. हर ट्रेडर ये सोचता है कि मेरा जितना लॉस हुआ है ना यार, पहले मैं एक बार रिकवर कर लूं, फिर मैं निकल जाऊंगा, उसके बाद तौबा कर लूंगा एंड देन आई विल नेवर ट्रेड. ठीक है, बट दे फॉरगेट कि जिस मार्केट ने इतना लिया है, इट इज क्वाइट पॉसिबल कि वो आगे आप जितना डाल रहे हैं वो भी ले ले. देन फिर बाद में अगेन आई हैव बीन मेकिंग लॉसेस. देन फिर मैंने जैन के बाद बंद कर दिया ये सब. देन फेब, मार्च, अप्रैल, आई ट्राइड माई सेल्फ. आई थॉट कि ओके लेट्स ट्राई कि मैं कर पाता हूँ या नहीं कर पाता हूँ. बट it was not working at all for me. So this first phase जो था मेरा, this was entirely a loss making phase and I made huge loss. Though I have been investing in equity from Feb 21 से पहले मैं invest करता था, so equity में I had made थोड़ा बहुत, so this loss did not dented my capital which I have been using. Okay, it has gone from my profit only whatever I had earned. But loss is a loss no matter what. So this was my first phase that I have been making huge losses. Then after that, in my second phase, which is a building confidence phase, which I may say, then from first May से लेकर June 22 तक, then in this period, ये जो last year का period था, उस एक साल के period में मैंने nearly about 4 या 5 जो Telegram पे काफी famous fin influencers हैं, उनसे मैंने सीखा. देन उनसे सीखने के बाद मैंने थोड़ा अपने आप को इवॉल्व करने की कोशिश करी, अपने आप को अडेप्ट करने की कोशिश करी. मैंने मई में दोबारा से थोड़ा बहुत स्टार्ट किया था. देन अगेन एफएनओ में मेरा ह्यूज लॉस हुआ. देन आई लिटरली क्विट इट कि नहीं अब मैं नहीं करूंगा मई में. देन अगेन आई मेड अ लॉस ऑफ 32,000. देन फ्रॉम जून ऑनवर्ड्स, in this meantime, that Feb, March, April, May, I have been trying a zero loss strategy. So from Jan onwards, in fact, I started making a zero loss strategy because जब भी कुछ loss होता था, मेरी psychology जो है, it will go for a 6. I didn't know what to do because I didn't know how the market will behave, how market will go. Because in FNO, you have to be very thorough with charts, fundamental analysis, and technical analysis as well. सो इतना ज़्यादा शुरुआत में नहीं हो पाता है. एंड वी थिंक कि हमने थोड़ा बहुत इक्विटी में कमा लिया है तो यस वी कैन डू इट इन एफएनओ. एफएनओ में एक दो बार प्रॉफिट आएगा एंड देन जब लॉस आएगा तो वो सारे प्रॉफिट को लेकर जाएगा. सो दिस इज द ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस दैट किल्स अ एफएनओ ट्रेडर. So through this while from Jan, Feb, March, April, May, I have been trying to develop a zero loss strategy and I have been doing a paper trading on Sensible के ऊपर एक paper trading का ऑप्शन होता है. सो उसके ऊपर आई हैव बीन डूइंग. सो उसमें मेरे को काफी सक्सेस मिला था बट आई वाज नॉट एबल टू पुट इट ऑन लाइव ट्रेड्स बिकॉज थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस में लो था. देन मई में जब मेरा लॉस हो गया तब आई डिसाइडेड कि नो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू इट. आई विल ओनली ट्राई जीरो लॉस स्ट्रैटेजी. सो इन द मंथ ऑफ जून आई ट्राइड दिस जीरो लॉस स्ट्रैटेजी एंड द रिजल्ट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. इसमें काफी मेरे प्रॉफिट आए एंड इसमें मेरे को लॉस भी काफी हुआ. तब फिर मैंने सोचा कि ओके why the losses have come. So इन losses को खत्म करने के लिए मैंने आगे की ट्रेड्स लेना स्टार्ट किया. सो जून के महीने में दिस वाज द मंथ जिसमें मुझे 743 रुपीज का ही प्रॉफिट हुआ था एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी बिकॉज दिस एंटायर मंथ दिस प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ मी. दिस इज व्हाट आई अर्नड. देन आफ्टर दैट आई इवॉल्व्ड, आई अडेप्टेड टू द मार्केट एंड देन आई वाज फाइनली एबल टू मेक अ zero loss strategy. So it is not because I have learned from 5 people. It is not because that I have been taking calls from someone. It is all because जो मैंने जितनी learnings करी थी वो सारी learnings मैंने अपनी एक खुद की एक strategy evolve करने में लगाया. And then finally I was able to achieve this thing. So from July onwards जब मेरा confidence काफी कम था कि zero loss strategy ये work करेगी या नहीं करेगी, तब मैंने स्टार्ट किया. तब जुलाई में आई मेड अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ हार्डली 41,000 रुपीज. देन फिर धीरे धीरे अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर धीरे धीरे मेरा जो फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शंस का प्रॉफिट था वो बढ़ता गया. एंड देन टिल नवंबर इट वाज ओके, इतना ही था. एंड देन दिसंबर में जब व्हेन आई गॉट अ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड इन दिस ये सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर जो 3 महीने थे इस पीरियड में उस टाइम पर टिल दिसंबर 31 जीरोधा जो था एक 60 डे चैलेंज लेकर आता था. सो आई डिसाइडेड आई टेक दैट चैलेंज. सो जुलाई में मैंने वो चैलेंज लिया एंड अगस्त में आई फेल्ड इन दैट चैलेंज. देन सितंबर में अगेन आई टुक दैट चैलेंज. सितंबर से अक्टूबर तक आई सक्सीडेड इन दैट चैलेंज. आई वाज क्वाइट हैप्पी. देन नवंबर में अगेन टुक दैट चैलेंज एंड टिल दिसंबर आई अगेन सक्सीडेड इन दैट. सो आई फाइनली डिसाइडेड माय मेन मोटिव वाज टू स्टे इन पॉजिटिव, टू स्टे इन ग्रीन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे नो मैटर व्हाट. So this strategy of mine, and of course I don't take I am not a compulsive trader and I don't take unnecessary risk till the time I am not 99% sure that this trade will go in profit. I don't enter in that trade. Yes, it happens that sometimes कई बार होता है that you enter a trade and you are aware that yes it will give you a profit and eventually market does a U-turn and it turns into a loss. So it happens. Market is always right, but you knew that what are you doing. So that is what more important is. So till December, I made a 60 days challenge. Everything was going good. So from that moment, I decided that yes, I will trade only in zero loss strategy. I will evolve in this only, and I have adapted my trading strategy as per the zero loss strategy, so that I don't make losses. But yes, I do make losses in FNO on intraday basis, but those losses are as such that I am able to control because इतना करने के बाद इतना चार्ट देखने के बाद थोड़ा पता चल जाता है कि हाँ ओके मार्केट किस डायरेक्शन में जाने वाला है एंड व्हाट इट इज गोइंग टू डू. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव बीन डूइंग एंड आई विल शो यू माय ईयरली दिस थिंग. So these are not the losses, these are the profits. I have made a profit of this one and this one. So I have been employing a lot of strategies. Many people, in fact, have asked me that how is this possible that one zero loss strategy can give you so much of profit. So I am telling you, this is not one strategy. These are a number of strategies. I employ a number of strategies. I employ strangle, straddle, iron butterfly. I employ covered calls as well. I do ratio spread. I do calendar spread as well. So these are a number of strategies. I never do a naked call. मैं naked call 99% कभी नहीं करता हूँ. And rarely I buy calls. I buy only on expiries. Tuesday Nifty and Thursday को expiry होता है. केवल उसी दिन मैं थोड़ा बहुत buy करता हूँ, but only with a limited quantity. So my major thing is option selling. So in option selling, I employ all these strategies, and with a combination of these strategies, I am able to make this zero loss strategy. Okay, and believe you me guys, this is a fact and it is in front of you. I cannot fudge this data, I cannot misrepresent it, and many people have asked me कि आपका verified PNL link. So for all you guys, my verified PNL link would be in description, and many people have commented also कि you are trying to sell your course. So let me tell you that I am not at all selling my course. It's just that I just wanted to apprise my fellow traders that uh, profitable trading is possible. If you think loss is a part of trading, then I would say no, it's not actually. If you know how to trade and what to trade, then eventually your entire trading will turn into profits only. You will not make losses, and even if you make losses, those will be very minute and you will be able to handle it because you know how much you want from the market, and the day you decide that thing, your losses would be limited. The problem is that traders are not aware how much they want from the market, so they think we want everything from the market, and eventually they lose everything. Okay, so I'll just show you that how my trading has evolved over a period of month. In September, you see I have been making only a small amount. Then October में थोड़ा बहुत बढ़ा था. Then November में it was there. Then December में I increased my capital when I got confidence that yes, I am going into a zero loss strategy and it is coming good, and I am getting a control of it. So in December में I increased my capital, so my FNO profit got doubled, and since then I am using the same capital, and then my profit has started increasing. In Feb, I hit a jackpot and I made a good profit. And this equity, this is because Vedanta, one news came that Vedanta is over leveraged just like Adani. So on that day, I was in the covered call. So Vedanta ka equity I exited, and because that Vedanta fell, so I made a good profit in my covered call which I had taken. Okay, so in the month of March also I made a good handsome profit. In the month of April also it was good. Then in the month of May I made a huge profit in my covered call. Why covered call? Because this is the Tata Motors. I have taken a Tata Motors covered call. So in this I made a huge profit in my equity and in my FNO positions as well. And then in the month of June month of June also I made a good profit. I did not had any covered call, so I did not made any much profit in equity. And in the month of July, yes, this is a wonderful month for me, because in this HDFC news came, and I was in the HDFC covered call, because I knew that in the month of July HDFC का news आएगा, and that very moment HDFC is going to spike like anything. And on in this month I made a good profit in covered call, and FNO में इसलिए हुआ because स्पाइक बहुत फास्ट था, एंड विक्स ऑल्सो राइजेस along with it, सो प्रीमियम्स बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गए थे, सो दैट इज वाई इतना लॉस हो गया था मेरा थोड़ा FNO में. अदरवाइज आई मेड अ हैंडसम प्रॉफिट इन दिस मंथ. एंड अगस्त में एज ऑफ नाउ इट इज लाइक दिस. सो द थिंग इज दैट I take covered calls. I've been giving many stock recommendations on my channel, on my Telegram channel. I gave Angel One, Prakash Pipes. I gave Motilal Oswal. Then I gave Jubilant Food. Then I gave ONGC, Hindustan Copper, Tata Motors, Vedanta, and many more. Karnataka Bank and many more as well. So जितने भी stock recommendations मैं देता हूँ, अगर वो FNO में अवेलेबल हैं, जैसे कि वेदांता हो गया, हिंदुस्तान कॉपर, टाटा मोटर्स, ये सारे के सारे कॉल्स मैं अपने पास एज अ कवर्ड कॉल हमेशा लेता हूँ, बिकॉज आई टेक ह्यूज क्वांटिटी. सो माई लेवरेज, आई शुड हैव सम लेवरेज, कि अगर मेरे अगेंस्ट मार्केट गया, सो आई शुड बी हैविंग समथिंग. इट्स नॉट दैट आई गेट इनटू द लॉस. सो दैट इज हाउ माई ट्रेडिंग हैज इवॉल्व्ड. So that is the thing. And believe you me, if you know exactly how to tread in these choppy waters of stock market, then you will be able to make these profitable journey. And this is my first account, and I have been using 2 3 accounts. So this is my second account. In this account I started trading from October month, and in this also I have been making decent returns. So in the month of June, and I make same calls as well. So in this July month I have taken HDFC covered call in this account as well. तो इसमें भी मुझे equity और इसमें काफी profit हुआ था. So this is my trading history, and my main reason is to show you this trading history is because that I don't want to show you my profit, how much profit I have earned. The only idea behind is this, that I know it is very difficult for people to believe that this is possible. So my main reason to put forth in front of my fellow traders my PNL is that I want them to believe that yes, this is actually possible. I have been getting many messages on Insta and on my WhatsApp as well, and on my Telegram ID as well, that it is a fake and you are doing painting, you have done nice editing and all. I have got many messages on Facebook also, and people have giving negative comments also. So the only reason is that if you're it doesn't harm me in any way, because I am doing what I am doing, and it's just that I am putting the facts in front of you, so that you know that yes, trading can be profitable also. My only aim is this. So if I can change the mindset even of 1% people who have seen this, then believe you me, I have succeeded in my I have succeeded in my my idea of putting across what I'm doing. Okay, so that's it from my side. If you really liked my video, I request you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel, so that fellow traders would know that yes, profitable trading can also be done. So that is my only motive, and thank you very much for all your support. Many people have supported me as well, so I thank you all of them. And in future also I'll try to bring more videos. And that's it from my side, and thank you very much, and have a good day.